In this video, we will teach you how to make surgical face masks at home.
Hello, dear everyone. As we know that the coronavirus is spreading all over the world, so I want to teach you the how to design the face mask. Don't worry about that. If you don't get the face masks from any medical stores or due to any other shortage. So all of you people know that this is the bag maybe all of you have in your home. Simple bag, this one. If you don't find this bag, then you may find out your then you need to bring out the blazer cover. In other words, you can say that your pant and coat cover. So now we will start how to prepare face mask at home. Firstly, you have to select this area of this bag and cut from this position. So we cut this one into two pieces. Normally you need the width is 4 inch and for the normal mask 7 inch will be your height or length of the mask. So together I have you have cut the other side of this bag also. Now we have make the two pieces. With this piece, what you need to do is make the pairs into four different. We have fold the bag into four different layers. Here you see that four different layers. You just have to fold like that and press like that. After that, here you just cut a piece from here. You people think that why I cut the piece. After that, you have to stitch these folds. Similarly, we have stitched the other side as well. We have completed the other side. Here, you see that both of the side we have completed after stitching. We have cut this previously. We have cut this piece fold like that. After that, you have stitched like that. Similarly, you have stitched this piece as well. Here we have stitched the other side as well, and we have completed the stitching of both sides. After the completion, you have to cut the extra pieces from both sides and put aside. After that, you have to cut 4 different strips. Okay, this piece is enough. Similarly, we have completed the 4 different pieces. After that, what we can do? We just have stitched these pieces like that. Finally, we have stitched the last piece also and complete our stitching process. Here, the face mask is complete. Okay. Stitching is also possible if you are using the sewing machine. Then it will be more easy instead of using the needle. Both are the possibility. If you don't have this sewing machine, then you have to prepare like this. Oh, the mask is ready. You have to wear the complete mask that is similar to the mask that you have buy from any medical or departmental stores.
I will explain you very easy procedure to make the face mask. It is requested to all of you, please wear the face masks, especially when you go outside, because we want you safe from this coronavirus or any other disease. Whenever you stay healthy, you stay safe. Please press the bell icon to subscribe our channel for future tricks regarding the different services. We are here best to serve you. This is our request. Please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.